Ava sat at her desk, staring at the sticky note she'd stuck to her monitor months ago. It read, "There has to be a better way." She'd written it during one of those long days at the office, buried under endless PowerPoint decks, forced coffee runs, and the constant feeling that her ideas weren't being heard. Ava was a UX researcher, good at what she did, but exhausted by office politics and days that stretched into evenings. She wanted to spend her time talking to real people, discovering how products fit into their lives, not battling for a seat at conference tables. So she made herself a promise. She'd find a way to keep doing what she loved, but on her own terms. Months later, she did exactly that. Today, Ava works from the soft corner of her sofa, sunlight streaming across her laptop. She picks and chooses freelance projects that excite her, running user interviews to understand how people really feel about new apps, designing surveys that help teams discover what customers secretly want, conducting usability tests that make digital products simpler and more human. She doesn't have a boss breathing down her neck. She doesn't clock in and out. And she certainly doesn't waste hours commuting to meetings that could have been an email. Instead, Ava controls her schedule. Some days she works from a coffee shop, chatting with users around the world over video calls. Other days, she takes the afternoon off to recharge, knowing her work and her clients will be waiting when she returns. Ava found her freedom as a freelance UX researcher. And here's the thing. This opportunity is open right now for people like her, experienced UX researchers who want to work remotely on projects that actually make an impact. If you're someone who loves asking questions, discovering insights, and helping shape how products feel for real users, if you want your workday to revolve around research, not corporate politics, then this might be your chance to rewrite your story. You'll need solid experience in UX research, conducting interviews or surveys, running usability tests, turning findings into insights that teams can act on. But if that's you, this could be the door you've been waiting to open, because there is a better way. And sometimes it starts with a single step. If you'd like to learn more about this freelance UX researcher role or apply for it, check the link in the description. Thanks for listening to Ava's story. And remember, your work deserves to fit your life, not the other way around. See you in the next video.